My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Okay, by the smell of the rug, I know the customer having a big dog. A big dog, it's a problem because the big dog almost didn't pee on the rug. However, big dog have another problem. The oil from his skin make the rug smell like wet dog. And this is what I have right now, a wet dog smell. So I put the rug here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 floor, 5 time 3 feet, 15, a little bit more, 16 feet. So it's about 10 by 16, the size of the rug, 112 pounds. This is the weight of the rug, and I'm going to start cleaning it, and I will show you every step, how the vacuum is working, and how the tube, this one, what is the color coming from the rug. By the color, you know how bad is it. Let's see it. This is the first cycle that go to the sewage. Take a look what's coming from the rug. This can show you how bad it's inside the rug. The odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea flood the rug gently. All the rug, every inch, cover with my cleaning product. And then the vacuum from under the rug, pull everything through the rug. Vacuum, go ahead. Take a look what we have here. This is, of course, is the PetPeePee, and this is all the cleaning product the customer use. Because all of this cleaning product, the soap go to the top, and the PetPeePee it's in the bottom, and this is our mission to get rid of the PetPeePee and the soap. Take a look how clear is the water right now. It's still a little bit yellow, and you can see the foam. The foam is related right now to the element of vinegar. Vinegar plus the pressure causes this foamy, then it's not as soapy. You see it's loose. This is the difference. One more cleaning process, and I believe is going to be perfectly clean. This is the final cleaning. Take a look. How vivid, how bright it is. This is what I mean, cleaning Oriental rug with love. No scrubber, never. And look at this. It takes time from 11 o'clock till 5 o'clock afternoon. It takes to clean this beautiful rug, and the tube is absolutely clean. Look at this. The same water coming from the top, the same water going through. PetPeePee. I invented a cleaning process that makes sense. I clean the Oriental rug through the same way how the pee-pee penetrate the rug. In the same route, I clean it by using the odor-free Dead Sea minerals. Do you wish your rug will be clean like this? If the answer is yes, stay tuned and see how I fold the rug the right way for shipping. Thank you very much, Martin.